I have a request to do a drawing setup where you have different leader colors on different pages or sheets. So I'm going to go through this and show a couple easier ways. Um, so I have it set up where this one's black, this one's red, this one's blue. So on the black page, obviously, when we click on it, it shows you over here in the format what it is and what it's following as far as the styles. So if we go into this one, easiest way, quickest way, edit layers. I'll bring up your edit layers. You can click here to add a new layer. Call this one red. Call this one blue. Click on the color. Change it to red. Okay. Change this one to blue. Okay. Continuous. Continuous. And then you can change the thickness if you'd like, but oh well. Save and close. Select here. Go up to the layer. Change it to red. That's the easiest, quickest, fastest way. You don't have to really change any settings, anything like that. So we can do it a different way, which is probably the proper way. Go to Styles Editor, and then when we get into here, it'll actually show you how. So if we want our dimension to be architectural, we can do a new style. It'll be a copy. So this will be our, let's say, our red. So we can rename this to red. Now when we actually go through and do our options for notes and leaders, you can select your leader style. And that's when we go down to here to our, where is it? Here we are, leader. So alternate, general. So general is the ones we're going to call red general. Now make sure that this is read write, otherwise it'll be all in vain because you'll set it and then it won't write to your actual standard styles. You do that in a project, so I'll show you how to do that when we get done with this. But if we go into the red, so if we go into our copy, red, okay, and that's the line format for the color, Terminator extension, and all of that stuff. So if we save that, we come into our red architectural for our notes and leaders, alternate, come to here, that shows that that's the alternate. So if we went to red, change this to red copy, click on there, save it's yes, and I'll bring it back over here. So let's see, anything else in here that we need to check? Quantity, no, no. Display, so color. So we can change the primary text to either note right here if we want our text to be changed. There we go, text, alternative text, label text, note text. So our label text, note text, let's just do this one, call this one red note text. So when we're in here, you can say we want this one to be red note text and red note text. Or you can set up multiple ones, but that's the easiest way. So units are the same, alternate units are the same. Display is the actual the line, so we can change that into red if we wanted to also. Text, red. So when we go into here for the red note text, we actually look at our color, that red as well, and save that. So you pretty much go through and make red for all the stuff, and then options, notes and leaders, make sure that's red. Okay, so let's see if this worked. So we click on here to red, go to our annotate tab, and we can change it to red architectural. And it makes it red. So if we go to sheet here, we can change this one, red architectural, or if you select it, you can make it blue. So that's the difference. If blue, it won't actually make it blue. If you have it like so, by standard, and you have it as blue. So for me, it's easiest just to create a layer, call it blue, at the end of the day. But if you want to have it set up in your styles and standards and do it that way. That's the workaround as far as that goes for here, where you make it an actual dimension style. So I hope that makes a little bit of sense. So if we come in here and we look at our projects, these are all my test prep, but right here, read and write. So you can change to read only, read write. That's about it.